Crusader castle built up by the King of Jerusalem after the First Crusade to help guard trade routes over on the east side of the Jordan. During the Second Crusade, it was commanded by Raynald de Chatillon, who started attacking caravans. So Saladin, leader of Mamluks in Egypt, came and laid siege to it for several years to capture it finally, after which it became a Mamluk castle and was built up much more. Here we are looking down on the Mamluk section. It's called the lower court. The Mamluks built up here as the Crusader Castle.